When trust shatters, simply stopping the harmful behavior isn't enough to fix it. The emotional chasm stays open until you replace the system of secrecy with a consistent system of communication. This is a concrete, trauma-informed 5-step daily routine. It provides a specific schedule for rebuilding emotional safety, one brick at a time. There are strict prerequisites. Both partners must commit to radical accountability. This means the offending partner acknowledges specific harms without offering excuses or deflecting blame. Trust returns through slow, deliberate work. It isn't found in a grand gesture, but in the effort of daily, consistent action. Step 1 is the 5-minute morning mindfulness check-in. You begin the day with quiet reflection to catch internal shifts in your thoughts before they become secrets. Use this time to ask yourself, am I carrying anything today that my partner deserves to know? Step 2 is proactive transparency. Throughout the day, the ascending partner chooses openness over convenience, sharing digital calendars and sending unprompted updates. This logic tree maps hypervigilance, a survival mechanism where the nervous system scans for threats to prevent harm. It is an involuntary trauma response. Proactive transparency soothes this. By injecting reassurance, the brain receives needed information before reaching a state of panic. Sharing locations and schedules is a temporary, protective boundary. It is the structure required to restabilize the relationship's emotional baseline. Step 3 is the scheduled, honest conversation. This must happen at the exact same time every single day. During this time, you share plans and feelings. If a topic feels uncomfortable, that is usually the signal that the dialogue is necessary. These check-ins often fail when the offending partner responds to the hurt partner's pain with defensiveness. To prevent this, listen to understand and accept influence. Use I statements to focus on feelings rather than debating the facts of the betrayal. Showing up with emotional receptivity at the specific time is the mechanism that transforms promises into measurable reliability. Step 4 is the ritual of connection and gratitude. Perform this right before bedtime by naming one specific thing you appreciate about your partner. This isn't about ignoring the problem. It is a psychological strategy to force the brain to pay attention to what you are currently building together. Step 5 involves the positive repair log. Every night, you document a single positive interaction from the day. This must be written by hand in a physical notebook to create a tangible record. Because trauma causes the brain to fixate on danger, this log provides written evidence that safety is increasing. Physically documenting these small wins provides an emotional record to lean on during the inevitable setbacks of the healing journey. This 5-step communication system replaces the previous pattern of secrecy. Each step works in a continuous loop to maintain transparency. As time moves forward, expect progress to be non-linear. You'll have days that feel like a regression. That is a normal part of recovery. Pull out your phone right now, agree on a time with your partner, and set a recurring alarm for step 3. Trust isn't a feeling that returns on its own. It is a structure you build, starting today, one brick at a time.